Yo, what's up everybody? It's Money Mindset. Listen up because we're about to break down how to turn those TikToks into some serious cash. Forget everything you thought you knew about cat videos and dance crazes. We're talking about building a brand, connecting with an audience, and turning your creativity into a paycheck. That's right, 7 proven strategies to make TikTok your side hustle, or maybe even your main hustle. Let's do this. All right, first up, let's talk about becoming a TikTok influencer. It's not just a trend, it's a full-fledged career path now. With the right strategy, you can turn your passion for creating content into a lucrative business. Imagine getting paid to do what you love, all while building a community of engaged followers. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's entirely possible, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to make it happen. You know those people with millions of followers getting paid to rep brands? They didn't get there overnight. It took time, effort, and a lot of smart moves. These influencers have mastered the art of engaging their audience and creating content that resonates. They understand the importance of building a personal brand that stands out in a crowded space. That could be you. But hold up, it's not just about hitting the woe dance and hoping for the best. It's about consistency, people. Consistency is the name of the game. You need to be posting regularly, not just when you feel like it. Think of it as your job. The more consistent you are, the more likely you are to build a loyal following. And trust me, brands notice consistency. You gotta be posting regularly, like think of it as your job. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's daily, every other day, or a few times a week, make sure you're showing up for your audience. This not only keeps your followers engaged, but also signals to the TikTok algorithm that you're an active creator worth promoting. And don't just post into the void, engage with your followers. Engagement is crucial. Respond to comments, like and share user-generated content, and make your followers feel seen and appreciated. The more you interact with your audience, the more loyal they become. And a loyal audience is more likely to support you and the brands you collaborate with. Respond to comments, run polls, ask questions. Make your followers feel like they're part of your journey. This two-way interaction not only boosts your engagement rates, but also helps you understand what your audience wants to see more of. Tailoring your content to their preferences can significantly increase your chances of going viral. Make it a two-way street. The more you give, the more you get. When your audience feels valued, they're more likely to engage with your content, share it with their friends, and help you grow your following. This kind of organic growth is invaluable and can lead to more opportunities down the line. The more engaged your audience, the more TikTok's algorithm rewards you. The algorithm loves engagement. The more likes, comments, and shares your videos get, the more likely they are to be pushed to a wider audience. This can lead to exponential growth and more visibility for your content, and that means more eyes on your content. More views mean more potential followers, and more followers mean more opportunities for brand deals. It's a cycle that feeds into itself, and it all starts with creating engaging, high-quality content. Now, once you hit that magic number, 10,000 followers, brands are going to start knocking. This is a significant milestone that signals to brands that you have a dedicated and engaged audience. But don't just sit back and wait for offers to come in. Be proactive. Reach out to brands you love and pitch yourself as a potential partner. They're looking for people with a dedicated audience to showcase their products. Brands want to work with influencers who have a genuine connection with their followers. This authenticity translates into more effective marketing and better results for the brand. But here's the pro tip. Don't just jump on any offer. Not all brand deals are created equal. Some may not align with your values or your audience's interests. It's important to be selective and choose partnerships that feel authentic to you. Find brands that align with your values and your content. Authenticity is key. When you promote products you genuinely believe in, your audience can tell. This builds trust and makes your recommendations more impactful. So stay true to yourself, and the right opportunities will come your way. Next up, we've got the TikTok Creator Fund. This is an exciting opportunity for creators to get paid for their content directly from TikTok. Imagine turning your passion for creating videos into a source of income. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. This is straight up TikTok paying you for your awesome content. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or just starting out, the Creator Fund is designed to reward your creativity and hard work. It's a way for TikTok to support its community and encourage more high-quality content. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. The Creator Fund is real and it's helping thousands of creators monetize their videos. If you've ever doubted whether you could make money from your TikTok videos, This is your chance to prove yourself wrong. If you've got over 100,000 views in the last 30 days, you're in the running. This means that your content is already resonating with a large audience, and TikTok wants to reward you for that. It's a great incentive to keep creating and engaging with your followers. The more views you get, the more you earn. It's a simple formula. More engagement equals more money. So, if you have a knack for creating viral content, the Creator Fund can be a lucrative opportunity for you. So, what kind of content rakes in the views? Think tutorials, funny skits, compelling storytelling. These are the types of videos that people love to watch and share. Whether you're teaching a new skill, making people laugh, or telling a captivating story, there's a place for you in the Creator Fund. You know, the stuff that makes people stop scrolling and hit that share button. It's all about creating content that resonates with your audience and makes them want to engage with it. The more shares, likes, and comments you get, the better your chances of earning more from the Creator Fund. But here's the thing, don't chase the algorithm. While it's important to understand what works on TikTok, it's even more important to stay true to yourself. Authenticity is key. Your audience can tell when you're being genuine, and that's what will keep them coming back for more. Create content that you're passionate about, stuff that gets you fired up. When you're excited about what you're creating, it shows. Your enthusiasm will be contagious and your audience will feel it too. That passion will shine through and resonate with your audience. They'll appreciate the effort and creativity you put into your videos, and they'll be more likely to support you by watching, sharing, and engaging with your content. So, if you're ready to take your TikTok game to the next level, the Creator Fund is your ticket. Start creating, keep engaging, and watch as your hard work pays off. Happy creating. Alright, Chapter 3. This one's for the entrepreneurs, the makers, the doers. Got your own product? Whether it's handmade jewelry, custom t-shirts, or even digital downloads, TikTok is your marketplace. Show off your products in action, give behind-the-scenes glimpses of your process, and use TikTok's built-in shopping features to make it easy for people to buy directly from your videos. And don't forget about TikTok ads. This is where you can target your ideal customer, putting your products in front of the people most likely to hit that Buy Now button. Affiliate marketing. Earn passive income. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with brands you love and promote their products using unique affiliate links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a cut of the sale. Passive income, baby. The key here is authenticity. Don't just shill any old product. Choose things you genuinely use and believe in. Give honest reviews, show how the product fits into your life. The more genuine you are, the more trustworthy you become, and the more likely people are to buy through your link. Offer coaching or classes. Share your expertise. Are you a whiz at something? Maybe you're a photography guru, a fitness fanatic, or a coding ninja. Whatever your skill set, TikTok is your platform to share your knowledge and get paid for it. Offer online courses, one-on-one coaching sessions, or even group workshops. Use TikTok to showcase your expertise. Share quick tips and highlight success stories from your students. People are always looking to learn new things, especially from someone who makes it engaging and accessible. That's where you come in. Partner with small businesses. Be their TikTok guru. Small businesses are everywhere, and a lot of them are clueless about TikTok. That's where you come in. Offer your services as a TikTok consultant, helping them create engaging content, build their following, and reach a wider audience. You can manage their entire TikTok account or just provide guidance and training. The demand for TikTok expertise is only going to grow, so why not be the one to cash in? Create and sell TikTok templates. Help others level up. Last, but not least, let's talk about selling TikTok templates and tools. TikTok has become a massive platform with millions of users worldwide, and everyone is looking for ways to make their content stand out. This is where you come in. By creating and selling TikTok templates, you can help others level up their content game while making a profit for yourself. Think about it. Everyone on TikTok wants their content to stand out. Whether it's through eye-catching visuals, engaging captions, or unique video formats, the demand for high-quality content is ever growing. As a creator, you have the opportunity to tap into this market by offering ready-made solutions that save time and effort for other users. If you've got a knack for design, editing, or coming up with viral-worthy ideas, you can package those skills into templates and sell them to other creators. Imagine creating a set of templates that include everything from video transitions to text overlays, all designed to make videos more engaging and visually appealing. You can also offer tips and tricks on how to use these templates effectively, adding even more value to your product. Create aesthetic video templates, catchy caption ideas, and even custom filters that can be easily applied to any video. The possibilities are endless. You can also create templates for specific niches, such as beauty, fitness, or travel, catering to the unique needs of different content creators. This not only broadens your market, but also allows you to showcase your versatility as a designer, or even full-blown content calendars. These calendars can help creators plan their content in advance, ensuring a consistent posting schedule and maximizing their reach. By offering a variety of products, you can attract a wider audience and increase your sales potential. Use your own TikTok account to showcase these templates in action, demonstrating how they can transform ordinary videos into something extraordinary. Share before and after examples, tutorials, and user testimonials to build credibility and trust with your audience. The more you can show the value of your templates, the more likely people are to purchase them. And then direct people to your website or online shop where they can purchase them. Make sure your online store is easy to navigate and provides all the information potential buyers need. Offer different pricing tiers, bundle deals, and even subscription options to cater to different budgets and preferences. By providing excellent customer service and continuously updating your product offerings, you can build a loyal customer base and achieve long-term success in this growing market. Start earning on TikTok today. There you have it, 7 proven ways to turn your TikTok account into a money-making machine. Remember, the key is to be consistent, authentic, and always be experimenting. The beauty of TikTok is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Find what works for you, your audience, and your brand. So which strategy are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to crush it on TikTok. I'll catch you in the next one.